Welcome to Digital Twins explained in 2 minutes. Imagine having a perfect virtual copy of a physical object, system, or even an entire city, one that updates in real time and allows you to test, monitor, and predict outcomes without ever touching the real thing. That's exactly what a digital twin is. A digital twin is a dynamic virtual replica of a physical entity, powered by real-time data collected through sensors, IoT devices, and connected systems. The concept was first formalized by NASA in the early 2000s, originally used to simulate spacecraft without putting astronauts at risk. Here's how it works. Sensors attached to a physical object continuously stream data, temperature, pressure, movement, performance, into its digital counterpart. Advanced software then uses this data, combined with AI and machine learning, to mirror the object's current state and simulate future behavior. In manufacturing, companies like Siemens and GE use digital twins to monitor machinery and predict failures before they happen, saving millions in downtime. In healthcare, digital twins of human organs are being developed to personalize medical treatments. In smart cities, entire urban infrastructures are being modeled to optimize traffic, energy use, and emergency response. Even Formula One teams use digital twins of their race cars to make real-time performance adjustments. By 2024, the digital twin market was valued at over $17 billion and is projected to exceed $110 billion by the early 2030s, reflecting just how rapidly industries are adopting this technology. The core value is simple: test in the virtual world, act with confidence in the real one. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.